Oh, look at that.
Oh, yes. Delicious. Yummy. ASMR. This is my favorite drink ever. Java plum.
The color is gorgeous though. Look at that color. That is a nice color. Look at that.
Back home here, getting ready to do some yoga via a live stream. So it is an online yoga stream happening in the same state I'm in. It's just like half the price of being there in person. So, and I'm really hungry, and then he's bringing me a pizza, so I'm gonna definitely eat a slice during the class. Okay, apparently I'm the only one joining online. I guess people were like, if you do that, why don't you just do like a free class on YouTube? So I get it. Hello, I hope you can see me, but I also hope you can't see me because we're not doing so well. So immediately after that, well, I mean during the hour-long sculpt class, and this is my first one since, like, in my whole life I've done, including this one, 3. I did 1 hot yoga, 1 other, I think, hot yoga, and then there's this, which might have been hot yoga, but I was doing it online, so it wasn't hot in my living room kitchen. So I drank those things, right, in the clip before, those wine glasses. I had 2 of them, and then I went into that, and I had not done a class like that in close to a decade. Yeah. While I was doing that, my husband came back with the Domino's. 1 large New York style, 1 medium Parmesan stuffed crust. This is a new thing they have, the Parmesan stuffed crust. I love a stuffed crust pizza. I had to have it. I was so hungry. So I was also like, I had breakfast, and then I had the wine, and then I did that thing. And then I also, like, during the moments where they're like, drink water, I was taking a sip of water, yes, but I was shoving pizza in my mouth. Only 1 slice of that Parmesan. So delicious as that was happening. But yeah, 30 minutes into that workout, I started feeling kind of like nauseous a little bit, but not certain as to what was happening. And lo and behold, that is what happened. I vomited. Projectile. It really shot out of me, but I made it to the toilet. If there's one thing about me, I always make it to the toilet. Yeah, so I did that, and now I went into bed, did it another time. I'm here. I was supposed to do an escape room tonight. Super sad that I was the maker of my own undoing and I wasn't able to do that, and now my husband's there doing that. Yeah, anyways, that's the end of it. But we got to spend time with our stinky doggy here. Yes, we did. Yes, so that's good. Mr. Grunty Pants, do you have anything to say? These are the Loewe Health tacos. Kale avocado. And this is the rainbow. I don't remember which one I liked better, so I'm gonna take a bite out of each of them.
If you want to try this, you better get
That cilantro lime. So good. Peanutty, because of the almonds probably. Like very peanut buttery. A little more sweeter because of the blueberry too. And I can taste the hummus on that one.
Which one do you like better?
I do like the kale avocado better. I'm finishing up a 15-minute core sculpt stretch easy-ish going workout after yesterday, and only 15 minutes after my 15-minute hot tub soak to warm up the body before this. So hopefully that does something. I'm not sure. I wanted to show this beautiful sunset. Bro. Wienums is trying to get comfy on the yoga mat. Wienums. What are these little claw marks? Huh? He's like, this is my bed. But I wanted to show the beautiful sunset that is around us. Here it is. You can't see the sun, but it's there. It's because it's rainy, but it's there.
Wienums and he's under the bed.
Yeah. I'm making some zucchini lasagna, and I just wanted to share about how that is. It's so delicious. If you like a lasagna, it doesn't matter if there's a pasta in it or a zucchini in it. If you like zucchini also, this is just a huge plus for you. We're already at one of the best parts, assembling the lasagna. So we put the tomato sauce in the bottom, about a half cup, and then I just start layering this pre-shredded that I did shred myself zucchini. You can do them a lot thicker than this. I do recommend it. It's just I have a peeler, I don't have a mandolin, so kind of end up with these too thin pieces. Sometimes you get some good thicky ones like this, but for the most part, like especially towards the edges of the zucchini, you're really like struggling. Layer the sauce on top after that, and the cheese, which is the best part in all its glory. There it is. And then we're gonna bake it for about 40 minutes or so at 400 degrees, and I will show the final result then. It's gonna be amazing.
What are you doing?
Look at that.
Wow.
Wow.
Damn. Like she does this here. Maybe it's the curse. I'm gonna go directly with 1.5 pieces. Because me is hungry.
Good morning. I made avocado toast. Let's bring it back, everybody. Huge. Like a fishing photo. The mountainous peaks of the tomato. Just basically avocado on some Kirkland sourdough bread, onions chopped up into the avocado spread. Then we put an egg. Then we put sliced tomatoes. Then balsamic olive oil mix on top, finished with a little more salt and pepper. Salt and pepper has been put into the egg, into the avocado, and on the tomatoes. Layers of it. Hold on now. That's actually absolutely incredible. I don't really like balsamic vinegar and stuff, but that was game changing, revolutionizing savory deliciousness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoa. Highly recommend. making some lemon raspberry muffins, and I thought I'd show the best part. So I went to a dog store. It's kind of a local dog store called Disembark yesterday. They kind of rose to popularity here because they started making these dog toys that were very nostalgic for some people, but also just kind of like dog toy versions of things that are popular for humans. You know, something that's really popular is Matsumoto Shave Ice. My personal favorite is Viola's, but because that's like a really popular shave ice here, they made a dog toy version of the shave ice. They also made a dog toy version of Love's Bakery Donuts. Again, very popular here. So, I don't know, you look at it and you're like, oh my gosh, like, you instantly are like, this isn't from a big company. There's no way they made this. That's just so interesting. You know, Zippies, they made a zip pack. It's just funny stuff. They made Heineken bottles. That one maybe a big company could do. But yeah, I picked this up. It's so cute. For little wiener beaners, because he hates harnesses. So I got him a new one. But I got this one before that I thought was really high quality. It still is very high quality, from a company called, sorry, I don't know if you'll instantly recognize that. Does this even focus? I don't know if GoPro's focused. Herta. Some kind of a Europeanish brand, I think. It's Finland. Okay, so it's sturdy. It's an amazing harness. It's just kind of heavy, so I feel like there's something about it he doesn't like. He also doesn't like the stringy harness ones. But this is a lot lighter and softer. Not the most lightest thing because these are made of metal. And we don't worry about him like fighting out and like getting out of his harness. I don't really care about that. I actually hope he can get out of his harness because I have a paranoia that the elevator doors are going to close on him one day and one side of the leash is going to be on inside and the other side is going to be outside. So I hope he can like get out. But anyways, this is super cute and we're putting it on his tiny body and he seemed to be okay with it. So very excited. In other news, I made a syrup. There it is. Oh, I didn't make this bottle. This was the macadamia nut, which is so good. I highly recommend the macadamia nut Monin syrup. It's amazing. But I used the glass bottle because it's a perfect vessel for making my homemade vanilla syrup, which is just equal parts cane sugar, water, boil for like, or simmer very lightly, with vanilla bean and vanilla bean pods so that they can infuse, and then put it in here to further infuse. And I don't know, when it was done, I kind of didn't like the smell of it, so I'm scared. I really hope it tastes okay. So we're gonna try it. But before we do that, here's an aesthetic shot of pouring piping hot coffee on some ice cubes and milk. I personally like to put the shot in with milk first usually. That was just for aesthetic purposes. And then I add the ice cubes because then the milk cools down the coffee and the ice cubes don't get melted and the coffee doesn't get watered down. That is how people should do it. Fingers crossed it doesn't taste like buttholes. Unless you're into that. Here we go. That is delicious, scrumdiddlyumptious, I feel. Kind of almost tasting like the macadamia nut syrup too because I used the bottle, which is awesome. Love the taste of that. Yeah, this is just as good as the Monin. Will I say better? No, they're both, it's not blowing my mind as exceptionally better. But for it to even reach the Monin level of quality, I'm happy with that. Awesome. And I saved, what, $10-14 from getting a whole new bottle of syrup. So, but also, how much were the vanilla bean pods? But I got a big pack of them. But how much were they? Because did I save money? Okay, well, anyways, I think I'm gonna end my little vloggy vlog at some point after today. Maybe I'll film something else, but I got this bag. Isn't it so cute? I will film a video on it. It is a vintage Loewe bag. And I got an amazing deal on it. It's kind of big though. Like bigger than I thought it was gonna be. But yeah, I will go into it later. It's the Senda bag also. I'll save you guys a Google Lens if you're interested. Oh, how can I not share some of the breakfast that was made? There it is. It's kind of like that. But basically, it's just, yeah, flour tortilla, 2 arabiki sausages, a scrambled egg of some sort, and I put some garlic powder, green onion, things like that. Usually a little bit of cheese, some mozzarella or something, but did not have cheese today. I have to pick some up. And tomatoes with balsamic vinegar and lettuce. One last update for reals. Wienums, please. He was a good boy, but he keeps trying to bite his wig. May I introduce to you her? Yes, there she is. There she is with a beautiful little tag. So this is like my first Rimowa Essential in this beautiful green color, and the essential light version, because not only is the other one more expensive, of course, the aluminum version, but it's just really heavy. So I don't understand the point of like packing light and then your luggage itself is ruining you for a few poundage, and it's gonna get dented anyway. So if I were to get an aluminum one, it would just be the personal size. Definitely. And for spending over $1,000, I got a free yoga towel, which I think can just be used as like a towel also. So that's nice, you know, better than nothing. I did think that the trunk size was weird when I first saw it. And I was like, what the hell? But then I understand the concept now, and people keep saying it's like life-changing and the best, and they'll never go back. So I do believe this is the future, or I hope it is, and that I am in on it already. I will report back when I actually use it. But for now, that's just the appetizer. There's 2 others that we have, a big, large check-in and a personal-sized one. But the personal-sized one was a gift to me, and the large check-in is not really even ours. It's like my mother-in-law's. She just didn't ask for it back. So, hope you're having a cool day, relaxing day. You're not letting stuff get to you, and appreciating what isn't getting to you in the life that you get to live. If it is. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. I just hope that there's some type of good in your life and you're latching onto it, if that makes sense. All right. Peace.